Hello everyone, this is Placid. I will be taking you through the interpretation of solution for the question number 37, which is Red Bull drink production. So here is the question, and I solved it on Google Sheet. Here is the summary of the question, and I will start by determining the objective, which is to maximize the profit, and decision, which is to determine the amount of special limited edition drinks to be produced by Olympic Games for Olympic Games for 2021 while adhering to maintain the consent available. Decision is variable. We have lemon tang and apple tang, where R will be the number of liters for taurine, S number of liters for fluorine, number of liters for carbonated water, U for everything, which will be the number of liters for taurine, V number of liters for fluorine, W number of liters for carbonated water. Objective function, we have one can which is equal to 500 milliliter. Of course, it's 0.5 liter. And also we have lemon tang as given. 0.5 liter lemon tang will be cost $3, and 0.5 liter of apple tang will be cost $2.75, and as max profit is equal to 6 multiplied by R plus S plus T cross bracket plus 5.5 multiplied by U plus V plus W cross bracket. And then we'll be considering the constraint, both lemon tang ingredients and apple tang ingredients, where number of liters for taurine on lemon tang ingredients will be 0.75 R negative 0.225 S negative 0.215 T, which is less than or equal to 0, and number of liters for flavoring will be 0.9 S negative 0.1 R negative 0.1 T, which is greater than or equal to 0. Number of liters for carbonated water will be equal to 0.65 T negative 0.35 R negative 0.35 S, which is greater than or equal to 0. And number of liters for taurine is equal to 0.8 U negative 0.2 V negative 0.2 W, which is less than or equal to 0. And number of liters for taurine, so for the constraint of apple tang ingredients, number of liters for flavoring will be equal to 0.95 V negative 0.05 U negative 0.05 W, which is less than or equal to 0. And number of liters for carbonated water will be equal to 0.8 W negative 0.2 V negative 0.2 U, which is greater than or equal to 0. And based on the question, as you know, taurine limits in liter is R plus U, which is less than or equal to 2,500. For flavoring limits in liter is S plus V, which is also less than 2 or equal to 2,600. And carbonated water limits in liters is equal to T plus W, which is less than or equal to 4,000. Also, taurine amount in apple tang in liter is U, which is greater than or equal to 600. So for the standard model calculations we generated here, based on the decision variable, profit, and constraint, which will give us the optimal solution, we found that Red Bull will need to produce the product which worth around $50,100 of max profit, which is the optimal solution. After calculation also for that, we come up with a conclusion and recommendation as seen here. Based on the table, decision variable and profit realized, the Red Bull industry, in order to produce enough special limited edition drinks for 2021 Olympic Games, they will need to maximize the profit, where they will just have to produce this quantity of products: 1,400 for lemon turin, 800 for lemon flavoring, 3,400 for lemon carbonate water, 600 for apple turin, 1,800 for apple flavoring, 600 liters for apple carbonate water. Those are the quantity in liters which Red Bull need to produce in order to realize the max profit of $50,100 as the optimal solution. So, as a recommendation, as observed from the table here, the quantity of product and the profit for each product which we generate, I could recommend the Red Bull industry to produce more quantities of lemon flavoring, turin, and carbonated water, because based on the quantity which have been produced, the current quantity still found to be low, but regardless of that, they realize they're like max profit compared to other products. So Red Bull would be better if they produce a more quantity for those products in order to generate more than the optimal solution that they have already realized. So, by analyzing on the sensitivity report given, as reports shown here, shadow price which is negative 4.5, and also they want to minimize amount of turin used in everything, where it will change from 600 to 750 liters. So this will affect the optimal solution, which will be the difference of 150 liters, or the shadow price of negative 4.5, where we'll take the product of the change and shadow price, and then we remove from the current optimal solution, which is $50,100, where the optimal solution will be decreased from $50,100 to $9,425. So those was the walkthrough. Thank you so much.